In this video, I am going to go through the entire process of creating LinkedIn automation that can automatic post content on LinkedIn. So here is the workflow that I built in ActivePage. Here you can see the URL. When I just and can publish it and run it, let me show you some demo. And I just retest. Now the sample data is generated. Here you can see the loading. Now the data is loading. Here you can see this is the title, this is the description summary. Now I go to Ask AI. I just enter retest. Here we can see this is the prompt to generate. Now you can see the LinkedIn post. This can take time, please wait. Yeah, just see the result, how the LinkedIn post. Here you can see every which you could quickly summarize and save web page. Here you can see you can read this LinkedIn post that generated now with the AI. Now start with here we can see we can just enter a test step. It can automatically post this post on my account. Now show the step by step guide. Just visit ActivePage. I can provide the URL in description where you can also visit. Just click start free and create your account. So I already have one. I just log in. Here you can see my account is here. Just when you create your account, just click new flow, click from scratch. Now your work is start. What thing I choose? I want to post from RSS feed. So I click new feed in item. When some blog post update in website, it can automatically turn into LinkedIn post. So just click in new item in RSS feed. Now here you can grab the RSS feed. Just type in Google RSS feed, which needs you want to. So I just want to travel. You can also post from Google News. Just enter. You can see the RSS feed. Just click and just scroll down and see any feed. I just click this feed. Here you can see the feed URL. Just copy that and go to the here and just paste this and just click load sample data. Here we can see the scenario is running. Now we can generate sample data for me, so we can take the data and generate LinkedIn post. Here you can see the how to eat cheap around the world. This is the RSS feed data. Now we can convert into this into LinkedIn post. So click plus and search. Go to the AI and just click text AI and Ask AI. When you create your account, this can give you 200 AI credit for free. Here I just show you. Here you can see this is loading. I can show you now. This can give you 200 AI credit every month for free. So you can, here you can see AI credit. You can run 100 tasks per month daily or for free, and AI credit this 200. You can run 200 AI completely for free. Which model do you want to choose? I like Anthropic. Then I go to select a prompt and click Cloud Safe and Sonnet and just paste this prompt. I just provide this prompt on description, So here you can grab this. Yeah, I just here you can see the prompt. I just copy this and just click Ctrl+C and go to my tab and just please paste it. Here you can see in title you can remove that. Here you can paste title. Here you can see the title and description. You can paste description. Here you can see the description. I just paste. You can also see the data. What is the description of this first? So I just see the description. Here you can see it holding up a piece of pizza. I just go here and just click, and everything is okay. You don't need to change anything. Just click test step. Now your LinkedIn post is generated. Here you can see. You can also schedule for this for every 24 hours, but in RSS feed option, when the new post update in a website, it can automatically run and post in our LinkedIn account. So I can choose this. Here you can see our LinkedIn post. Are you tired of blowing up travel, eating local, my favorite tips? Here you can see the. So I don't want to link to article, so I just edit prompt. So I just type here. You can type in offer. So I just still don't you can write in your way, don't add link or CTA in the post. That in the post. Here you can see I can retry again. So I just enter retest. And now our post is generating now. Here you can see though it is not loading, so we need to wait a couple seconds. Here you can see everything is fine, no CTA. You can read the entire post. Now I also want to generate image, so you can also generate. Just go to AI and just select image AI. I want to generate image for this, so I just want to change replicate, and I choose the model called Black Forest, and just what image do you want to generate? You can write the prompt. Just I paste the title and select the resolution. So I select just 1024. I just enter test step. Now you can see the image is generated now. Just click download file to see your image. I just enter download. Here you can see the image is nice. I just open it and show you how the image look. See how cool the image is. See how nice. I just back and I just want to post this on LinkedIn. You can also post this on Twitter. You can customize in your way. So I just click create share update and select a connection. Here you can create connection and just click connect. So you need to log in your Chrome LinkedIn account in your Chrome browser. Okay, so I don't want to do that now. So I already connected one account, so I just create LinkedIn in text and just click Ask AI and visibility public, image. Here you can select insert image and just enter test step or publish it. I just enter test step. Now we can automatically post in my LinkedIn account. Something my LinkedIn account, I can connect this again. I don't want to do that. Just enter publish. It can automatically run whenever the post come to this website called, here you can see the website. Whenever come new post in this website, it can automatically turn article into LinkedIn post for me and automatically post wherever you want. You can do for any website in tutorial video. I can do only for this website.